you'll smell that a lot of soaps actually smell like that, hey? Yes. But they don't, it doesn't smell quite like that because they don't use the perfect pure essential oil. They'll use a synthetic. But a very powerful oil. If you, in the summer, that's why I use it in our summer body. In the summer, if you make yourself a heel balm, you would put this and peppermint and tea tree in your heel balm. Because this, if you've got very bad cracked heels in the summer, it's because you've got a slight imbalance in your thyroid, which happens sometimes after the winter, because your thyroid is also your thermostat, and so in the cross time of the winter becoming summer, your thermostat has to balance your temperature, and now it's got to recalculate. So geranium, also very healing to the skin, so if you use it. But if you drink it in a tea, it's very good for the digestion. If you've got anxiety and you've got reflux and you struggle with these things and heart palpitations, you actually blend it in a blend with lavender and geranium and something like chamomile, very calming. And you can actually apply that to your chest and your belly and your hands and your feet to calm all these things. People go, well, if you're not drinking it, how's it helping? Remember, in a blend, goes through the blood, through the skin into the bloodstream, and you don't need huge amounts. Oh, also very good for things around your menstrual cycle and things like all the florals, even jasmine and rose. All the florals help balance the menstrual cycles and things like that, and help if there's an absence of cycle, if there isn't a cycle, if there is too much of a cycle, it helps balance, even for the cramps and that.